go call Pastor Ellis stand there for me at Jamaica. Or if somebody go call him if him there foreign. Somebody go call 99 pastor for me. Me want to talk to your pastor today a preaching day in Florida. And she did call cause them the time they me hot like a 10 fire tick. I remember you did pray for me and say something to me too. Uh-huh. All right. But come here, Mr. Pastor Ellis stand there. Today is a perfect day to address you. Today is for you, Mr. Pastor Man Helliston, Mr. Helliston. Today is for you. And you may come to speak to sir. I am going to give you that. Even though you don't deserve it right now. But Mr. Helliston, Pastor Helliston, me not supposed to call him pastor right now. But you may come for today. All right. When you reach 100 people, then me start talk. We don't talk until you reach 100 people. There are 72 people. 70, yes, we want to talk. Now worry about the numbers. Numbers will go up gradually every day. We're there for the truth, not lies. But me there for split justice, honey child. Happy Sunday. Me not hungry. I just eat me did buy some food yesterday. No, not from yesterday. But I buy some food before I stop at the man in the at the truck stop. But let me address this matter before me go any further. The phone them kind of like a bit and remember people, remember to give some stars on Facebook.